So it's that time of year again when the sky is lit up by so-called shooting stars. And this week it's the Perseid Meteor shower which is going to dominate the night sky. It's the most active meteor shower throughout the year. You'll be able to see over one meteor every single minute. But what is it that causes the Perseid Meteor shower? How does it get its name? And what's the best way of seeing it? The Perseid Meteor shower is an annual event that we get to see down here on Earth. It gets its name, like all other meteor showers, from the position in the sky that it seems to originate from. In this case, it's from the Perseid star constellation. Now, the Perseid meteor shower is visible almost all the way around the Earth. However, it's best seen in the northern hemisphere, as this is the best place where you can also see the Perseid star cluster. The Perseid meteor shower peaks around the beginning to the middle of August every single year. It's the most active meteor shower that we get to see down here on Earth currently, with really keen eye observers being able to see over 100 meteors in the night sky in really dark places every single minute. But what causes this huge influx of meteors we can see in the night sky? Well, a meteor shower is just the remnants of a comet that once travelled through our solar system. You see, a comet is mainly made of rock, dust and metal that's held together by the force of gravity and by ice that bonds everything together. Now, a comet remains whole for most of its lifetime, but when it passes very close to the sun, it feels an increased amount of heat. Now, what this heat does is it melts the ice part of the comet, and this breaks it apart, and some of this rock and dust and debris fly off of the comet as they're left behind, and this leaves a trail behind the comet that remains in the solar system after it's passed through. If the Earth passes through one of these comet trails as it orbits around the Sun, these small pieces of debris can fall into the Earth's atmosphere and they burn up as they go through, and this is what creates a really bright and beautiful meteor showers and shooting stars that we can see. Now, the comet that causes the Perseid meteor showers is called the SwiftTuttle Comet. Now, it orbits around the Sun once every 133 years and travels further away from the Sun than Neptune does. It last passed by the Sun in 1992, but we're still seeing the remnants of its journey around the Sun in the form of the Perseid meteor showers as we pass through that comet's trail. You might think that seeing 100 shooting stars every single hour is pretty impressive. That's nothing compared to some of the incredible meteor showers we've had in the past. The Leonid meteor shower of 1833 was particularly incredible, with observers claiming they could see 1,000 meteors every single hour. That's one meteor every few seconds. Now, these meteor showers don't happen very often, but when they do, it's typically because we've passed through the trail of the comet soon after it's passed through our solar system. Well, now you know what the Perseid meteor shower is. What's the best way of seeing it? Well, unlike most other astronomical events, you don't need any special equipment. In fact, equipment like binoculars and telescopes actually limit your field of view that you can see, which reduces the number of meteors you'll be able to see. So all you need to do is look straight up at the night sky with your naked eye. Now, viewing conditions get best after around 11 o'clock at night, as this is the peak time when the sky gets really dark. So it may be a bit of a problem for any of you who like an early night, but trust me, the views are definitely worth the wait. And if you're a keen photographer and you fancy trying to get some incredible images of a meteor, now's the time to try and do it. All you need to do is go out late at night, point your camera towards the Perseid star constellation and set your camera for a high exposure time. If you set your camera for a high enough exposure time, you should be able to get some incredible images just like the one seen here. And if at first you don't succeed, don't worry, just set up your camera again and try once more. The meteor shower lasts for a good few hours while the sky is really dark, so you have lots of opportunities to get some incredible photos. So whether you're an astrophotographer or just someone who wants to see a beautiful astronomical event, make sure you go out one night this week and go and see the Perseid meteor showers. Grab yourself a warm drink, a comfy chair and sit down for the night and enjoy the spectacular views. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out the rest of my channel for some great videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment below, maybe send in me some of your photos you took for the Perseid meteor showers. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you guys all soon. We often think of the sky being dominated by two objects at different times of the day. During the daytime we see the sun in the sky, and at night time we see the moon. You probably noticed that sometimes you can see the moon out during the daytime. So why is our idea that the moon and the sun are opposites, and that we can only see the moon during the night time wrong?